Hi everyone, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a surprise birthday mail. And this is part 2 of my New York City crafty chicas that just spoil me. So, I'm like, I don't know why I'm getting so emotional. I'm not like this, but COVID. So anyways, this is from my dear friend Wanda Sweets, and I'm so thankful for you. I'm so excited. And the funny thing is, I actually got her package and Josie's package on the same day. So yesterday, and I was like, oh my God, did I hit the jackpot? They must have also messaged each other. Let's send our presents now. So thank you so much, you guys. I love you so much. And oh God, look at this card. It's been a while since I've received Happy Mail, so I'm just like over the moon. I love how beautiful this is. Oh God. And I already know this is going to be such an amazing package. And it's been such a while since I got Happy Mail. So I'm just going to take everything out. I'm so excited. Ooh, this is beads. Look at this bougie, like caddy or lunchbox. I mean, I don't know, or picnic box. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I'm just going to take everything out. Oh my goodness. Okay. Look at this. It says Socks Rock. And look, they're little narwhals. Oh my goodness. How cute are these? Look how fancy your packaging is. Oh, girl. You hooked it up with some trim. This is so pretty. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, a little lollipop like pick. Yes. Oh, I don't have this. Ooh, thank you, Wanda. I love it. Ooh, and she hooked it up with some flares, some stickers, and these little puffy eyelash. Ooh, I love these. Thank you so much. Ooh, and these little rubber stickers. Yes. Look at this box. It's just such a box of joy in here. Like, so pretty. And oh, this little Halloween number. And I really do appreciate that I can get your Halloween work because Wanda doesn't do Halloween. She's not a Halloween kind of person, so I'm not really like upset that you sent this to me. I'm so excited. Okay, let me see. All right, so I'm gonna take this and move this to the side. My little shred salad over here. And okay, sorry. All right, got that on the floor, and I'm gonna just open this big box only because like it's heavy. So I'm just gonna get working on this. And I know I've seen your video on this, or did you take a picture of this? Oh, there's like a random bead over here. Oh wait, girl. Girl! Oh my goodness. I was like, what? Wanda! You, I can't curse, but you crazy woman! You girl! I've been collecting like a mad woman beads, and these are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my God. I was like, why is there a bead sticking? I thought it was glued to the box. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my God, that sparkle. So pretty. That's just box 1. We just got started. I don't know how you made this contraption, but it's so cool. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Yes, your bead pens. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty this is. How gorgeous. Love. Oh man, I'm going to be the fanciest work from home person here. Look at that. That is so pretty. Thank you. You know, I have awesome friends. Awesome friends. Yes. You know, I was really jelly because like I love these flowers. I just don't have the patience for all this, like all the punching and layering. And you hooked a sister up. Thank you. Look how gorgeous these are. Oh, and this one's Maggie Holmes. Oh my God, I know it. Ugh, this is so beautiful. I don't think I could ever use these. They're so stunning. Oh, Wanda, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, let me see. Oh, bent her. Oh no. Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. This is like never ending. What's in here? Okay, it's just tissue paper. I love this. I'm just going to keep this out. So cute. Look at this little trim of pumpkins on the top. You've got me under your spell. Squad goals. Yes. That's us right here. Oh, and she gave me a whole bunch of like these charms and pretties. Girl, you sharing your goods with me. Oh my goodness. Yes. I can't wait to organize. Ooh, wire wrap beads in here. So cute. And she gave me a resin. Ah! Look at this. Just save the sequence. Look. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I really haven't put sequins in, but this is so cute in person. And her little BB Craft little dangle. Oh, so cute. I haven't received resin from anyone, so I'm so happy right now. Oh, okay, I'm going to open Hello Kitty. Do you open her? Yeah, right? Unless she does something else. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, we got some Hubba Bubbas over here. Thank you, because we need a little treats. Birthday celebration. I'm just going to put this little lollipop over here. Again, thank you so much for these two ribbons and trims. Girl, you hooked it up. You hooked it up. And I'm just going to unwrap this. Oh my God, is this the little trinket tray from Dollar Tree that everyone's been hauling? Yes, I love her. She's so cute. Thank you so much. I love her. Let's see what else is here. And everything came in one piece. So I'm so happy about that. Oh my goodness. Where'd you get this from? Is this another Dollar Tree buy? Look how pretty this is. So cute. So cute. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I know this has to be beads. Yes! Girl. Totally hooking it up. I love these letters. They're so pretty. Thank you so much. Let me take a deep breath. Okay. We got another little shaky box over here. Oh my goodness. This is the light box. Look, you guys. Sorry for the glare, but you see my name in there, and I know this turns on. You can't really see it because I got so much lights going on. Hold on, let me see if I can turn this off. You could see the fairy lights in there. So pretty. And oh my goodness. Also, don't make the mistake of opening it because that's what I did. Look how pretty this is. I love this. Thank you so much. And can we just say, this polka doodle is just like, it's me. Shopping spree galore, with my cute bow in my hair. I don't wear bows, but, I'm feeling her. I'm totally feeling her. This box is gorgeous. Thank you so much. I can't wait to just, display this in my room. So pretty. And then I'm just going to move this along. Let's see. She gifted me this gorgeous, I don't think she's a deer, but I've seen people haul this as well, and she's so stinking pretty. Oh gosh, so pretty. So pretty. And I'm going to open this box here. No. Wanda, I can't believe. No, I know. I know how much she cherishes these beautiful like flowers. She's the flower queen. I always say that to her. But I know that you cherish these in your stash so much. Look how gorgeous these are. And the fact that you gave them to me, like, I'm speechless. Like, I don't need real flowers. These flowers are just like, oh my God, they're so beautiful. Oh my God, look at that iridescent. It should be illegal how they glow. Look at these. They're so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Oh God, I can't believe it. And I gotta show you this box. Oh no. You gave me more flowers? Oh my God, look how beautiful these are. Oh, I'm so touched. I'm so touched, Wanda, because I know these had to be hard to let go. Like, oh, they're so dang pretty. Oh my goodness. And let me just show you this box. Look at this. Oh no, look at this cluster. It's just so beautiful. Her flower that's holding another foam flower that she's gone and she's glittered up. Look at that shine. And then she's done like a whole, a whole pearl bed. So, so beautiful. And the box on the bottom has these little, I don't know, like little buttons. So they sit up. Oh, so pretty. I love it so much. My desk is like the happiness over here. Thank you so much. And then I'm just going to show you her card one more time because it really does. Look at all these layers. Oops. I'm not sure what fell. But look at all these layers. And to have any one, like just one card from Wanda is like a dream. She really outdoes herself. Look at this little happy birthday enamel like pin. And just the clusters of flowers and pearls and just the little dewdrops. I mean, look at this. All of this pearl, liquid pearl that she goes and she does around the image. Oh, next level. Next level. And I'm going to read the card off camera, but I just want to say thank you so much, Wanda. I swear, I'm blessed to have you guys in my life. I say this every single day. Crafty friends are the best. Thank you for watching. I will leave links to all of Wanda's information, Wanda's Sweets. Everybody follow her. Obviously, you know, she's the queen. I mean, she is the queen. Thank you so much for all my goodies. I love you so much. Thank you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.